I was just picking on him. And then he like sighed very deeply at me and decided it's a good time to go home. He's excited. And your eyes just got really wide. You were really intrigued. You guys are gonna stay on that little one on the opposite side of the fucking lake? What are we gonna do for food?
You can say you work on, I mean, you know, you'll be left with food.
Holy fuck.
You won't have the motorboat either, we'll have it.
We're gonna have to get the fucking old Evinrude from Grandpa's.
The what?
The old Evinrude. Bobo.
No, we're not leaving with a vehicle. We're with a motorboat.
Mom, we're gonna have to get the Evinrude from Grandpa's.
What is that?
It's just the fucking canoe motor.
Well, no.
Yes.
Because you guys aren't going to be able to go. No, we don't want you to be able to leave.
Leave?
Yeah, we don't want you to go and be able to get to the vehicles.
Mom,
What?
we need a fucking boat. You don't think we're gonna paddle to the fucking vehicles if we want to leave? Stay out of my ear. Stay out of my ear.
Left with, you know, plenty of stuff.
No.
Yep.
Stop it, Bo. What happened to cuddling? Yes, I love you too. Okay, yeah. No, I love you too. Bob. Turn around here. Thanks for that. No. Bubbles, enough of the ear. Mister, say hi to the folks. Oh. I seem to have offended him.
Come with me now. Come with me now.